If you don't have these sneaker essentials, I gotta put you down and tell you you're doing it wrong. So let's go ahead and pop it off with the first one. And this is gonna be the fact that laces upgrade everything. I gotta say, I want you to think about a moment where you had to lace up your kicks, but something feels off. Maybe the laces just aren't the way you want them. Maybe they're too short, they're too wide, or they just don't match. It's just like wearing a suit with gym socks. Nobody notices until they do. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a couple places on where to buy some good laces, and I ain't gonna lie, Amazon is gonna be a hit for basically every single one of these things on the list. But besides Amazon, there's also eBay, which is gonna give you those quick budget-friendly options. You also do have Lace Lab, which I've heard a lot of great things about, but I haven't just used just yet. But they have some of the best laces that have that rope type of look to it, the wax, reflective, or even those custom lace colors. And then last one I got for you guys is Flat Spot or Grails & Co., which has more premium pairs of laces for the more hyped sneakers. But if you think laces matter, wait until you see what's coming up next, because the one accessory could literally extend your sneaker life by years. Now, this is the one that I feel like I slept on for way too long, and I bought me one of these actually the other day. I wouldn't say I got persuaded to, but I feel like the results just almost made me go ahead and cop right here. But this is one of those people that you see at the mall all the time trying to get you to go ahead and indulge in this activity, and this is going to be sneaker cleaners. Now, I gotta say, sneaker cleaners, they actually work. And I actually had someone clean my sneakers the other day, and I actually seen him multiple times, and he's asked me to clean them. And I gave him a chance yesterday, and I was like, I'm not gonna buy them. And he was like, cool, let me just show you how the product goes, and maybe you want to buy it. And sure thing, you guys, I decided to pull the trigger on it, and I got actually the most expensive one they had. And it wasn't a bad investment when I think about it, because it not only gets your sneakers basically to fresh and new, it's gonna be one that I can use on multiple sneakers. So it's not even just gonna be used for like a one-time usage. It's one thing that's gonna last for a while. And you think about it, you probably go out to buy fast food, maybe go out to dinner, and you'll spend this amount of price on it for one single meal. So I kind of put that in perspective, and I was like, let me go ahead and invest in my sneakers long term. So some of the top picks, I wish I had the actual box with me, but I'll put it in this video and edit it out. But I have this pair, which is the pair I just got from the sneaker cleaner the other day. You do have the Jason Mark, which is kind of like a trusted sneaker brand or sneaker cleaner brand that is trusted by the sneaker boutiques and collectors. You got Crease Protect. I feel like you guys have heard about this a lot over the internet. But this comes with wipes, sprays, and barriers. And then there's also a complete kit, which I don't know how to say the name, but I'll put it right here on the screen so you guys can go ahead and see it. A little tip I can give you guys is if you should combine these with shoe trees, and this will go ahead and maintain the overall shape while you clean your sneakers, which is actually one tip I need to take for myself, I'm not gonna lie. But section number 3 is going to be the crease protectors and shields. Now, I've been an advocate for that on this channel a lot, and if you don't know that, you're probably new to the channel. So let me introduce myself. My name is AA, and if you are interested in sneaker game, top 10 lists, sneaker reviews, or things like that, I really recommend you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because I am updating you guys every single day with daily uploads, but not just one, but 2 every single day. So if that's what you're interested in, go ahead and tap in with the channel. And a little thing I do want to tell you guys is that if you do have a pair of nice sneakers that you really value, I definitely recommend these crease protectors. And the reason why is because, especially if they're like a leather pair, like a Air Force One type of material, once you start to step in them too many times and crease your foot, because that is a natural movement of your foot, that is going to cause your shoes to look like this. And you definitely don't want them to look like that long term, because it has that weird look to your sneakers, and it makes them just look that much more beat up. So some of the options I can say is the very trusted Amazon. They're going to give you some budget friendly 6-packs, which is going to be very beneficial if you're rotating them with your kicks. You also have Force Field, which is known for comfort and durability. You have Sole Premise, which is often bundled with sneaker bags. Now, on to number 4, we have the charms, tags, and sneaker jewelry. Now, I'm not really one that's really into adding these type of accessories to my sneakers, but I've seen this all over the internet, so I decided why not put y'all on some game. And this kind of make your pair like your own, and like your own very unique pair. But You can go ahead and cop these on Etsy. They have tons of custom sneaker jewelry and lace charms. You also do have stock X or even GOAT and the accessories section, and they actually had these especially for the branded tags. So if you do want those branded tags, go ahead and tap in. You also do have Amazon, of course, which is going to give you the budget bling, but watch out for the quality. So I definitely want to say, whether it's going to be lace locks, Jordan hang tags, or even LV shaped inspired charms, small details can make your general release pairs feel like customs. But if you're trying to flex while you're traveling with your kicks, don't miss the next section. So right here, I'm going to be talking about the travel and storage for sneakerheads, or even if you don't classify yourself as a sneakerhead, but just someone that just wants to stay fly and have some great travel gear and storage gear. Now, some of the top products that I can think about, we have another one of those brands that I talked about earlier. This is Sole Premise. They're TSA approved and they're sneaker specific, so it's not just a regular bag that we're just putting sneakers in. They're actually made for sneakers. We have the drop front storage boxes, which can come from a Container Store, or you can find them from Amazon. I feel like Amazon just makes things so much easier, so I really recommend Amazon. And this is good for that at-home organization. And then we also do have the sneaker crates with LED lights. So these look insane on camera, I'm not gonna lie. So if you do want to take some snapshots with it, or if you just want to have something that looks pleasing to the eye, I definitely recommend those sneaker crates. Now, number 6, we got Odor Control and Sole Protection. Now, the key point of this that I do want to get across is that fresh kicks need to smell fresh. We definitely do not want our sneakers to be smelling all type of ways, all type of crazy. So if you definitely want to keep that odor under control, this is this part where you need to tap into and stay focused. But you can use activated charcoal sneaker pods or sneaker balls, or you can go ahead and use the sole shields if you do want to protect your soles. And they have them by the brand name of, I believe it is Rejuvenir or something of that sort. I feel like that's a brand that's hard to say because they have 8 in it, but I'll show you guys when I'm putting up the video. And then you can also do the DIY tape options to protect your outsole. Now, in this section right here, I'm gonna give you guys some bonus accessories that you didn't know you needed. There are some UV paint markers, which is good for custom detailing. I don't know if you guys have seen Marco on YouTube. He does a lot of custom detail sneakers, and he's very talented. And if you have a very good design mind, you're really good creatively, and you can draw things really, really nice, I definitely recommend this. You have the sole deodorizers, which is good to restore the yellow soles. And then we have the heel grips and arch inserts, which is good for comfort. And if you have good comfort, you can go ahead and wear it more. And if you can wear it more, that's a better ROI. Now, in just a second, I'm going to show you how to build your full sneaker accessory kit for under $75. You can go ahead and get your laces from Lace Lab for $7. You can go ahead and get your cleaner from Jason Mark Sneaker Kit for only $15. You can go ahead and get you a pair of Crease Protectors for just $10 from Force Field. And you can get a storage bag from Amazon or Sole Premise, which is going to be a small duffel for $35. And if you just mix and match and build over time, I tell you, trust me, and you'll just have a few of these at the beginning, but at the end, you'll have a plethora. So this will definitely make your sneakers look better and last longer. And with that being said, if you're still rocking beat kicks with failed laces and no protection, you're doing your sneaker collection a disservice. So these accessories protect your investment and make every sneaker feel premium. So I definitely recommend it, you guys. I definitely recommend thinking long term and not just short term, because I feel like a lot of times when we buy these sneakers, we're just thinking about, oh, they look so fresh now. We got to be thinking about what's going to happen in the future. So all the links to every product I mentioned are in the description down below. And if you found something new today, drop a comment down below and let me know what you're going to be grabbing first. And let's go ahead and see what people are talking about. Hit that like button to go ahead and help some more sneaker heads or just more people that love sneakers that are just like you, so you can go ahead and see this video. And hey, if you want to go ahead and see some amazing sneakers that you can go ahead and add these sneaker accessories to, go ahead and click the playlist right here, and I'll see you in that one.